Warning: for high-end applications such as WordPress, it is recommended to use their built-in options or special plugins specifically designed for these applications. A powerful feature of our hosting service that often goes unnoticed is web optimization. This tool allows you to apply essential web performance practices to your website with just a few clicks, enhancing your site's speed and overall performance. To activate web optimization, navigate to your control panel and select the web optimization icon. Within this section, you have the ability to activate various optimization techniques. These include optimizing HTML by adding heads, combining heads, eliding attributes, extending cache, and more. Optimizing JavaScript by combining, deferring, inlining JavaScript, and more. And CSS optimization by combining CSS files, inlining CSS, prioritizing critical CSS, rewriting CSS, and more. The tool also offers extensive image optimization capabilities, such as converting images to the WEBP format, both animated and lossless, inlining images, implementing lazy load for images, optimizing responsive images, and more. After enabling settings, you have to purge the cache to see the effect. It's important to be aware of the risk levels associated with these optimizations. Lower risk options are generally safe for most websites and unlikely to impact the functionality of your site. Medium and high risk options can significantly improve site speed but are recommended primarily for advanced users. These higher risk options need careful evaluation to ensure that your site functions correctly after their activation. Always remember to test your website thoroughly after enabling new optimization features to ensure everything functions as expected. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you need additional support, please open a support ticket at Host Maria Support Ticketing System. Please do not use emails and do not reply on email notifications as we can't guarantee a timely answer on these. The fastest and most efficient way to get support is using Host Maria Ticketing System. Thank you.